Hello everyone, this is G-Wiz, and today I'm going to be doing a garden update for February 26, 2024. This is my white peach tree. Alright, so last month I bought another pomegranate tree that had no leaves at all, and now it has leaves here. It's doing okay. This is the one I bought last year that we all thought was basically going to die, and didn't die, came back. And, that's why it was a little cheaper. But I think that over time, it's going to get over its weaknesses and it's going to become a tall tree. Then again, it is in kind of a shallow pot of soil, so maybe I want to dig it up and then put it in more soil. We'll see. Okay, and this is a goji berry plant, but it seems that it is growing differently all of a sudden. It went from this to this. So it definitely changed. It looks like it's adapting. I'm not sure why. It doesn't look like that one at all still. The avocado plant seems to be doing about the same as it was last year. I added a banana tree, as you can see. The peach tree is coming back. These are peaches. Mandarin tree and the lemon tree. I'm going to count the amount of apple trees that I have now. I have 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay. Nothing else up there. 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 of them in here. 16. Okay. Now I'm going to start from the bottom here. There's nothing at the bottom. I'm going to go up to the second floor now. There's 8 here. So 16, 24. There are 4 in this pot here. That's an additional 12, which is going to be about 28. There is something growing here that resembles an apple or a peach tree. Okay. There's 4 here, and another, what is that? 3, 6 apples here, at least. Okay, so there's 6 there, 4 here, and then there's this one. What is this? Is this an apple or a peach? I cannot tell. It's looking like an apple, I want to say. It's looking like an apple. But it's a very unique apple. I think that one has strong genes. So there's 11 up here. Plus down here is 39. Alright. There's 2 over here to make 41. And then I have this one here for 42 apple trees in total. And I have 3 blueberry plants now. And the strawberries are doing okay. I want to see that they're able to reproduce more. Hopefully they survive. I'm not really sure. But I might even want to plant some of the strawberries it produces into its own ground just to make sure that it survives. Okay, cactuses here. A couple weeds I have to take care of. And that's about it. Here's the carrots. 42 apple trees. I believe at full size on a piece of property are about $1,000 each in value, just because they do produce food. This is all broccoli, I believe, down here. All broccoli. Excited about that. Cayenne pepper plants are doing good. Calendulas. Okay. Right there. I have some cherry tomatoes here. Not bad. If you consider the fact that I ate just $5 worth of these cherry tomatoes and planted all these cherry tomato plants, turned out okay. But my yield that I got for this year wasn't really as impressive, because these ones aren't producing on the third shelf as much as the ones on the second and the first shelf. That requires light, and since I don't have the greenhouse anymore, oh well. But I'm looking forward to having my bananas grow. I believe it only takes about 1 year for it to reach a significantly large size of around 7 feet tall. We'll see.